right, my balloon garland is... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today we are making our first Christmas balloon garland. I wanted to start with something simple first, and then as we go with my future videos, I will be using more supplies. I'll give you more ideas. I'll be more creative. So we're starting with something simple, but we're gonna end with something fabulous. This video is not sponsored, but I will be using one type of balloons from Angie's. I already worked with those balloons and I am loving what they bring to my balloon garlands. I will be using square foiled balloons. Stunning. I will link them in the description under the video. The rest of the supplies, I bought everything with my own money. Everything I will be using in this video for this balloon garland, I will link in the description under the video. Every balloon count, everything will be there. So go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, are you guys ready? I am ready and I am extremely excited to start this Christmas series, I guess. All right, enough talking, let's go. Let's quickly go over all of the supplies and balloons that I laid out over here. I am going for a white balloon garland with pops of red and green. I will be using 18, 12, 5-inch balloons in white. I am using two types of balloons from Angie's, not one, two. These are my square red shimmery balloons. These are foiled balloons. I am not sure about the size of these balloons. I will find out, let you know in the description under the video. And I have orbz balloons in red and deep green. These are 7-inch. On top of this, I am using my electric balloon pump, balloon tying tool, 20-pound fishing line, and a low temperature glue gun. Before I'll start making my balloon garland, I want to change the color of my backdrop. I am working with light colors today, so I want my balloon garland to stand out. That's why I'm draping black on top of white. How I drape my fabric, I will link a video on how I do it in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Let's go! I am ready to blow all of my balloons, so what I'm doing is I am blowing two balloons at the same time. And after I blew my balloons, I like to press them against the floor to give them more rounder shape. And then tie them together into a pair like this. I am not mixing up sizes. I am blowing 12 with 12, 5 with 5, and 18 with 18. Christmas movie is on, and let's do this. To construct our balloon garland, I am using 20-pound fishing line. This is my favorite fishing line thickness. I tried 30-pound and it was okay. It's fine, but 20-pound is the best. It's flexible enough, it's thin enough, it's comfortable to tie knots on. When you pull on it, it's not gonna rip on you. Anything less than 20 will snap on you when you try to pull on your fishing line while building your garland. And anything thicker than 20 or 30 is fine. Anything thicker than 30 will be a little bit tougher to work with. It's not going to be as comfortable, and it's going to be tougher to tie knots with thicker fishing line. So I'm using 20. It's my go-to. Today I will be making my balloon base like I usually do, but the only difference is going to be I'll be using my 18-inch balloons in my base. I'm not touching my 5-inch balloons. I will make them into clusters and I'll fill in spaces on my balloon garland with them a little bit later. So your 20-pound fishing line, tie it to your first pair. Second cluster right on top of your first one. As you can see, I'm kind of pinching these two pairs together with my fingers. With my other hand, I'm taking this fishing line and I am wrapping around one of the balloons. Pull on your fishing line and push your balloons together to make sure your base is very nice and tight. Again, around another balloon, push your balloons together and pull on your fishing line. That's all you need to do to build your balloon base. Let's go. Let's make this happen. Secure your balloon garland, cut a long piece of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with your other take that tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop, so take the tail and feed it through the loop, pull on that fishing line tail, and do that a couple of times to make sure your balloons are not going anywhere. Alright, so my balloon garland is ready, but I don't like some of the parts on my balloon garland. It looks like a straight column, so I want to switch some balloons around and play around with this garland just for a little bit until I'll find the shape that I like. My balloon garland is on my backdrop. Now, how I hung my balloon garland, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. I show you up close how I hang all of my balloon garlands using command hooks or just using a backdrop. So if you're interested in that kind of information, go check that video out. Time to fill in spaces with our balloons. So what I'm doing is I'm taking two pairs of balloons, it doesn't matter what size, and I am intertwining them together to create clusters of 4. Alright guys, change of plans. I want to deal with my foil balloons and my orbz balloons right now, and then I'll deal with everything else. So what I'm doing, you guys, I am not using my electric balloon pump because if your electric balloon pump is warm, you can ruin your balloons. Here's what I mean. Every self-sealing orbz balloons, foils balloons, they do have an insert, plastic insert in them. And when warm, hot air hits it, you can melt it and you will ruin your balloon. Your balloon will start deflating. So that's why I am using my hand pump. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but you're not gonna melt your insert and you'll be good. So how are you supposed to blow these square balloons until you won't see any wrinkles on your seams? And you're done. Look at this, beautiful. Feeling very extra today, so what I want to do, I am taking this really shimmery and nice looking gold ribbon from Angie's. I already worked with the silver one and I loved it. I want to take this ribbon and wrap this ribbon, there's a lot of ribbon going on, around my red square balloons. Kind of wrap it like a present. I don't know if you watched my silver metallic balloon garland with snowflakes. I did exactly the same thing with my silver square balloons and my silver ribbon, and it looked so good. So I'm repeating myself. Let's go. I am ready to fill in spaces. I am starting with my red balloons with ribbon. I want to place them somewhere on top of my balloon garland for a reason, because I want them to be very visible and I want them to stand out. I am using my low temperature glue gun to attach them to my garland. Looking pretty cute. Now I'm taking the rest of my balloons using my low temperature glue gun. I am working around my red balloons and kind of filling in spaces where I think I need more balloons. Okay. My low temperature glue gun does pop these green orbz balloons for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe I overfloated them. I never had a problem with them ever before popping from the low temperature glue gun. So now I'm using glue dots to attach my green balloons, but the rest of the balloons, low temperature glue gun. Here is what I have for you guys today. Stunning, simple balloon garland. Not just simple, right? I love how much white I have here, and then I have these pops of color of red and green. Loving everything I see. I am extremely happy with these square balloons. They are beautiful. They are shimmering, if you can see. It's like sequin kind of effect. I love this gold ribbon. It complements these red balloons very, very well. Everything looks good. Everything works together very well. I am loving this green on these orbz balloons. These orbz balloons, don't use low temperature glue gun to attach them to your garland, because low temperature glue gun will pop these guys. I don't know why. I already worked with them and they were fine, but this time they are just popping from low temperature glue gun. Use adhesive glue dots for them. Everything else, everything on this garland, I attached using my low temperature glue gun, these foil balloons as well. Every single balloon count, everything you will find in a description under the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on my first Christmas balloon garland. Are you excited to see more? Let me know what you think about this one. Let me know if you're excited for more in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to help you out to the best of my ability. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more videos and fun ideas. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!